In this lesson, we're going to focus on linear equations. I'm hoping this is a review for all of you and hopefully a fairly easy day as well. Maybe some of you could use that. So we're going to start by taking a look at graphing a line in slope-intercept form. As a refresher, the coefficient of your x is your slope and the constant is your y-intercept. So we start by graphing the y-intercept. You can turn it into an ordered pair. If you were to substitute 0 for x, you would solve and get 6 for y. So we're going to plot 0, 6. And my calibration is doing such a wonderful job today. From that intercept, we are going to use the slope, rise over run. Now, a common mistake students make when the slope is negative is that they fall and go to the left. But then you're doing a negative over a negative, which is actually a positive slope. So keep in mind that when your slope is negative, your line should be falling from left to right, and do that check on yourself as you're graphing. So I'm going to fall and go to the right a couple of times, and then I'm going to rise and go to the left. I like making a lot of points on my graph to try and get my line as straight as possible. And my line ends up wavy anyway. All right, so now we're going to refresh our memories on how to graph lines that are horizontal and vertical. So one thing that you can do if you can't memorize which one's which is y equals a horizontal or vertical line. I don't know. Plot the intercept. Y equals -2, so it is a y-intercept. So I'm going to start at -2. And then from there, horizontal and vertical lines should only cross one axis. If I went up, I would cross the x-axis, which should not be the case, so it's got to be horizontal. Another way to remember is to just pick any other ordered pair where y equals -2. So for example, 1, -2, plot that point. -2, -2, plot that point, and pretty soon you'll see the pattern that it will be a horizontal line. Therefore, x equals 4 must be a vertical line. Again, it's an x-intercept, so plot that x-intercept at 4. And then if you need to, plot a couple of other ordered pairs where x is 4, 4, 1, 4, -4, etc. And you will see quickly that it should be a vertical line.